Hi, this is Jeff from QualityDoor.com, and today we wanted to make you a video to introduce Sargent's new 10X line cylindrical lock. This cylindrical lock that I'm holding in my hand is going to replace the existing 10-line lock, which they're no longer manufacturing. So let's take you through some of the new features and exciting new functions of this lock. So what's the new features on the new 10X lock as opposed to the 10-line lock? Well, one thing is the handles actually become modular, allowing you to replace the handles without replacing the latch body. The cylindrical lock itself is 20 times stronger than its predecessor, allowing 1,600 pounds of torque on the handle with no breakage. So it exceeds Grade 1 standards by over 20 times. Another thing that's great about this lock is it comes in over 26 functions and 14 finishes. In regards to electromechanical, fail-safe and fail-secure devices, the 10X70 and the 10X71, the lock is field selectable for both fail-safe and fail-secure, so you can change that out in the field. So for electrified functions, the lock has a 92% energy saving for both fail-safe and fail-secure electrified devices, the 10G70 and the 10G71. So whether you have new or retrofit applications, this 10X line is easily installed quickly and efficiently. The 10X line, just like its predecessor, is offered antimicrobial handles, tactile handles, lead lining and windstorm, as well as many other different functions. So this lock is offered in all major core types, from SFIC small format interchangeable core, large format interchangeable core, and other standard conventional cores. The lock itself is good for 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 to up to a 2 1/4 inch thick door. For a 2 1/4 inch thick door, you can use the prefix 31 when you're requesting a quote. So what applications are best for Grade 1 extra heavy duty high-use traffic areas? Healthcare facilities, K through 12 and higher learning education, manufacturing plants, retail stores, or any other institution that has high traffic areas. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a little about the 10X line lock. If you need more information, click below to click our blog. We made up a great blog with a lot of function information and different options that the lock has. Click below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you on the next video.